Did you know the biggest financial heist in history happened without anyone breaking into a single vault? From 2003 to 2013, traders at the world's biggest banks pulled off the perfect crime. They called themselves the cartel and the mafia. Their weapon? Private chat rooms. Every day at 4 p.m. London time, banks set the official exchange rates for global currencies. Trillions of dollars moved based on these numbers. The traders had a plan. They shared secret client information, coordinated massive trades right before the daily rate was set, then watched as currency values shifted in their favor. Pension funds lost billions. Governments paid inflated rates. Corporations got robbed blind. For 10 years, JP Morgan, Citibank, Barclays, and others treated it like a game. Traders bragged about their profits in encrypted messages, but investigators were watching. Banks paid over $10 billion in fines. Several traders went to prison. The total damage? Hundreds of billions stolen from the global economy. The perfect crime until it wasn't.